Today we are talking with Mark Quillin, Vice President of Roplast Industries, and we are going to ask him about his experience of managing his maintenance program. Mark, what did you use before Limble?
We had a partially implemented Hippo CMMS program. Hippo wasn't being used because it was too complex, and so we didn't really have any record of what should be done or what was being done. It was terrible. If we can't get Hippo to work, then we need to find something else. I've been around for over 20 years in manufacturing, so I know the problems that you run into with these sorts of systems. I was just looking for easiness. Everybody's website says that they're easy to use and they got reporting and tracking, so no one stands out when it comes to just basic research or basic internet searches because everyone touts the same things. Well, I went online. Some service replied back to me that recommended 5 or 6 different options, and Limble was one of them. I evaluated those 5 plus a couple others that I found online. I did live demos with all of them and ended up selecting Limble. The other guys, with them, it looked easy, but when you're trying to set up a facility, it really isn't that easy. There's 50 things you have to set up first, and with yours there isn't. What you have is you have a very straightforward, simple process. You can go in and you can just set stuff up and it works.
How did your team accept it?
Exceptionally well. I think they were so hungry for something better than Hippo that when they saw how easy it was to use the app, everybody got on board immediately. They just jumped right in, and I really didn't have any problems, which was unusual. I was amazed that they accepted it, which I think is a testament to how easy it is if the end user isn't complaining, then it must be easy, because typically maintenance guys will complain about stuff like this.
So how has it improved your maintenance program?
What it's improved is I now know I have preventative maintenance tasks being performed on all of my equipment, where before it was pretty much 100% reactive maintenance. I would definitely recommend it to anybody if you need it.